Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I want to talk to you about solo ads and where to find these solo ads, the vendors for fast, cheap clicks to your landing pages without breaking the bank. Guys, this is where you buy solo ads and ad traffic from vendors that sell solo ads to you. They send you clicks or visitors to your offer, and you can go to the solo ads website and click on one of the top vendors' profiles. I'll give you a link in the comments below this video, and that's where you can go to find these solo ad vendors.
Let me show you inside the platform here. First of all, you want to go to keywords and choose the niche you want to send traffic to. Weight loss, money, online, ClickBank, whatever niche you would like to promote. Then let's just choose that. And find sellers. Let's go to find sellers. Over here, you're going to put in your max price that you are willing to pay per click. That's 60 cents over there. And then where it says here got sales, you choose 50%, because of course you want to make sales. Then niche, let's see, it's like marketing, let's say marketing. And then the ratings, you're going to choose 500 plus. So over here you get where you want the time that you want them to start, like anytime or immediately, within 24 hours, so you can plan ahead and schedule when you want your ads to start running. Located in all countries, promoted, all these things you can choose, and whether they are verified or not. And the sellers, show all the sellers or only sellers who are online. So then you go and after you've selected your keyword, you make your choices. You can scroll down here. These guys are all promoted. They're paying for these ads. Let's just try Gabe here. Going into what he has to offer. There are daily sales snapshots and proof of sales and whatever. Then over here there's a slider scale that shows how many clicks he will send to you. He's got a minimum of 125. Some of them have got a minimum of 100. So you start off with the bare minimum. Let's see, like 150 clicks is going to charge you $76.50. You take his minimum clicks that he's willing to go give to you. Then you work out at 125 clicks for 49 cents a click. The total works out to $61.25, but you have to add on the service fee of $3, which brings you the total of $64.25, which is very reasonable. And once you're happy with this, you go to the checkout, and the checkout will take you to where you pay for the ad. Further down, yes, frequently asked questions that he answers over here. Do you over deliver? He gives an over delivery of 10%. How soon will they start? He usually starts within an hour of accepting orders. All these things. Here's the opt-in rates that he gets for his typical opt-in rates that he can offer to you to get. Here he says 35 to 65%, and these are the countries where your offers are going to. All first tier countries. There he says 96% top tier countries. There's a video. These are the guys that got sales from the clicks that he's or the traffic that he sent to him through the clicks. So that's basically it. And once you think he will be a good fit for you, you can buy with this button over here. So you would get your opt-in page link and you would paste it in here, something like that. And once you're ready to check out, you click on the checkout button. I'll not be posting my link in here. It's just an example. That's how simple it is to buy clicks on this platform, guys. It's a no-brainer. There are some people who sell bad quality traffic too, and you will be able to weed them out even before you purchase. So what I would recommend you to do is to find sellers in the top menu tab. Just because someone is the cheapest, it doesn't mean that they are going to give you what you need at a bargain. It doesn't work that way. So as I said, you click find sellers, and in the filters tab that we've went through, let me just go through here again. In the filters tab here, let's open it, expand it more. In the filters tab, put in like 40 to 50%. I normally put in like 50% next to got sales, because you want to get at least some sales, right? So right above it in the filters, choose the price maximum that you want to pay, and because you want to get some sales, right? So the maximum price you want to be paying, let's say 60 cents or whatever. In the ratings, you want them to have like had a lot of customers going through their traffic service, so you will choose something like 500 plus ratings, and then you will be presented with the best options for you. You're going to see some still cheaper ones that will give good conversions, like 74% and so on, that you can see which will suit your needs. Of course, it goes without saying, don't always go for the cheapest ones. If you see like 30 cents per click or so, okay, these are like 40 cents mostly here. If you see like 30% a click, then don't go for it, don't do it. Because you won't get the results that these people give to you. You can also choose when you want your ads to start, and it shows from which countries. Let's go through this thing here quickly. Which countries, and the vendors who also offer inclusive services, or let's say this guy, 40 cents a click. Let's see what his services will include. Free HQ email marketing video course, free report, capture page, audit, 10% over delivery. New subscribers and buyers are added daily to his list, and free funnel review. Okay, so if you see someone that you like, click on solo deals and try to find them there. This is where the solo deals are. Try to find the ones that you like. let's just check what this guy does. No, his minimum is 50 clicks. Let's see what he charges for 100 clicks. Alright, if you see someone like this, they have cheaper offers, they give you cheaper prices, and that's it, guys. Like, okay, here's it. He said for 65 cents a click. 65 cents a click. Let's see what he showed in find sellers. Let me go here. I think he was one of these guys here. No, he's not here on the first page, but let's try and look for Philip Coble on solo deals. Philip Coble. Trying to find him. Let's see. Yeah, we were here just now. Let's see what he offers over here. 125 still the minimum. Here he charges 40 cents. The previous one was 60 something, and here his deal is like $53. So he charges $50 for 125 clicks, plus the $3, it's 53. So that's a discount from the previous, from the other, from the normal sellers. So this is where you get the bargains. And he offers the same things over here. He offers all of these. Here are the keywords that he uses. And so yeah, if you go here, you can find better deals by looking for solo deals. Just remember, at the end of the day, it's all up to you to decide who to choose. I'm just giving recommendations according to what has worked for me. So past results doesn't necessarily mean future results will be the same, so keep that in mind. This is just my legal disclaimer, guys. But solo ads is the cheapest and the easiest way to get traffic to your links. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. Oh, that's old. I'm going to leave a link in the comments section below this video, which will get you to the place where you can purchase your quality solo ads for a cheap price and get your traffic to your landing page or pages, and watch as your traffic goes to your offer. That's it, guys. Give this video a like, subscribe, and gently push on the notification button to get more useful ways to get targeted traffic. And I'm wishing you all the best. Ciao.